Welcome to St. Joseph's College Autonomous. We at Department of Commerce and Management provide you an enabling environment to help you stand out both academically and in shaping you to become an overall balanced personality, both in terms of college vision and today's competitive environment. Our curriculum and pedagogy will help you to become better and stand apart from the crowd. Let's take a quick glimpse of the department activities and initiatives.
The industry academia interface provides a platform for all the students to get experiential learning. As a part of this robust collaboration, the Faculty of Commerce and Management organizes the following programs. Professional Interface Forum. This forum is set up to enable students to remain in continuous touch with the industry and business executives through interaction at frequent intervals. Business Espresso. This is an executive chat show in which executives from corporate world are invited for an interview talk. At the end of the session, the students are encouraged to pose questions to the corporate guests. In Gurugyan, corporate leaders visit our campus throughout the year to give guest lectures covering varied topics in all functional domains of business, as well as topics on industry practices and major business developments. The purpose of the conclave is to bridge the gap between academia and industrial standards and to meet the requisites of the corporate world. Collaborations. Our robust collaboration with international universities, corporates, and professional bodies has enriched our curriculum and pedagogy. It has also paved way for adopting best practices, collaborative faculty research, and student exchange programs. Association activities. It is not just sufficient for a student of business to be sound theoretically, but must also be exposed to the outer world in a dynamic way to face practical situations. The Business and Commerce Association aims at preparing students to face the realms of the corporate world. A wide range of activities are conducted to equip the students for the present day business environment. Association activities include fests, competitions, cultural events, and quiz shows. Through industrial visits, the students gain hands on practical knowledge on various industrial processes and its management concepts. The internship research projects offer students opportunity to work closely with professionals in their field and to develop knowledge, competencies, and experience directly related to their career. The students of Commerce and Management at St. Joseph's College Autonomous are given the opportunity to take part in a 1 week long industrial study tour. The study tour enables students to get acquainted to the international business environment and learn holistically. With an objective of facilitating researchers' reflection about open learning from various perspectives, conferences, seminars, and workshops organized by Faculty of Commerce and Management provides a platform for catalyzing and advancing the research knowledge about various trends in business.